Good morning, welcome to Nifty prediction. My name is Narendran. To join my WhatsApp group, I'm charging 500 rupees per month. You will get advanced prediction details as well as calls in the group. And if you like my research, if you want to support my research, you can donate me using this Google Pay and Phone Pay and Paytm. If you want any query, you can WhatsApp me in the same GP number. Let's go to the Nifty. How it has closed on Tuesday. Nifty ended up in the negative as expected, 15,632.10, 120.30 points in the negative, 0.76% of the negative, opened around 15,703.95, which is well below the previous closing, and we expected a downfall around 1.02%, minimum of 80% target, and it has exactly closed and low kept around 15,578.55 and high went around 15,728.45. Let's go to our prediction review. In our data, it is clearly pointed out evenly paused in the two places, which means all three results are possible. But one hint is our data is having the negative target of 102% on the 80% day target, which is in the bearish level. This is the level we focused around 160 points minimum target for Tuesday. So we knew that market will have the potential to hit 15,591 exactly. That has closed. It has went 578. So we focused on this particular target as a 80% day target. Whenever the pre-opening is supporting this 80% day target, which hits, which means 8 out of 10 days it is getting hit. That is the reason we given this target name as a 80% day target, and the pre-opening needs to support. If the pre-opening is not supporting, for example, if the pre-open is in the positive from the previous closing, if the market is anything opened above this particular 15,752.40, then this 80% they might have chances to fail. So that is one more point. So we expected the pre-opening is in the negative, and exactly it was open in the negative. So we knew that this particular target of 15,591 will be fulfilled, and we also made some good money. And but we had a positive side new target, which is because this high is not matching with the data. So we have a positive target, which is 15,736.65. So this is the new positive side target, 15,736.65. Why? Because this high is not matching with the 3-point range. It has a gap still from that particular level around 7 to 8-point range. So which means this particular target is got open. So this is a new target for Thursday we have, but the lower side which matching. So the lower side is not we don't have a target at this point of time, because the lower side which is matching. But we had we already having so many downside target up to 13,600 range. So we are tracking those levels. I will show you those in the group calls. Let's go to the group call. What are the calls we given on Tuesday? This is the 80% target we expected, because of the pre-opening is also opened in the negative. So we traded that 15,591.73 as a target, and try to book when the Nifty is reaching this particular level, 15,591 range, or if it is not reaching, we should wait at least 315. So once the target is reaching, we started to exit from the put option, because we are holding the put options in the 29th contract as well as the current week contract as well. And our data is also clearly pointed out by opening, because pre-open is in the negative and the 80% day target is intact. So two red and one green because the frequency only is above in the green, but the market is opened in the volatile zone. So which means it is clearly going to close in the red because of two red and one green. So we have a some kind of a formula to track it, and we already uh, had in hand 15,600 put option for 16 to 17. We bought it and we wanted to exit at the maximum range when the Nifty is reaching at 0.02 that kind of a negative level. So that is what our expectation. So we wanted to wait till the market is reaching that level, and we already holding 16,000 put option for the monthly contract as well, around 291 range. Still we are keeping that with a target of 600 points, and it was traded around 403 in the profit of somewhere around 112 points in the profit size, and 15,600 also around 63 plus. I asked to keep around 60 points in the stop loss range. Once it is reaching that time, I asked to exit. So we are expected some more downside target because of the new, but it was not got it because after the 1 or 2% fulfilled, it started to recover as well. But our main focus is on the 80% day target, which is in the range of 15,591. So we want to play safe because of once it is reaching above 60 range, 15,600 put option, we asked to keep around stop loss 660, and once it is reached that 1 or 2% on the negative side around 111, so we wanted to exit as well. We don't want to take some chances by keeping stop loss. So trading after that is a risky, so that is the reason we want to exit as well in the put option. So we knew that 15,736.66 is open for the new target, so we don't want to trade for that particular target. We want to wait till how the markets are going, because it might not easy to trade on the particular day. We may expect the market might go on the next day. If the target is opens, if it is not hitting on the same day, it will go and close on the next day. So but we are not trading for that particular call option because we are in the bearish market. So even though if it is goes up, it will fall down heavily, so we want to wait how the things are going. We don't want to take any risk. Let's go to the prediction for Thursday. The Thursday data is showing 50% positive, which means weightage is on the positive side as well as ratio in the positive side. So two indications are in the positive. One is in the volatile market and other one is in the evenly positive, which means it is showing that market might have the chances to go and close that particular pending target 15,736.65. After that the market might go certain high, then after that it might fall down as well, because of evenly positive means there is a chances of going bullish or bearish or even flat. So which means even though if it is opens around 100 points positive, all the points will come down and might have the chances to end up in the flat or even go in the negative around 50-60 points. So that is the reason we are still in the bearish market. At the same time, we have a bearish warning signal as well. So we are expecting the market might have the potential to reach this particular 15,750 range. After any of the range the market kept the high matching, then it might fall down from that level to somewhere around 35 points to 50 points or even 100 points as well. So we need to play much more cautiously. It is not going to be easy to trade because of the 80% target here came somewhere around 15,750 as well. So We are going to trade with the target of 118.80, but our new tracking showing that the market having the potential to reach 15,750 range. After that, it might fall down from that level to somewhere around 15,575 to 15,560 range. So let's see how the market is going to give us on Thursday. These are all the stop loss levels, and these are all the pending targets level. We have a one new pending target of the positive side. And there is a one warning signal as well for the bearish. So that is the reason, even though if it is open 100 points positive side, it will come down. Let's see how the market is going to give us on Thursday. Thank you.